Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a Birchbox unboxing for you. I wasn't really paying attention when it came through the door and I just ripped it open without seeing the B on the side, and then I realised what it was, so I stopped opening it. Birchbox is a monthly beauty subscription box, and it is usually a box or a little drawer. But this month, because it's Christmas, it's a velvet or velour bag, which looks really pretty. I had it years ago and cancelled it because I felt like the samples were too small and there was a lot of repeat and it just didn't seem worth the money. However, I found a deal a while ago. I can't remember how long ago, but it was half price. So I got a half price subscription. So it ended up the boxes being about £5 each, which I thought was okay, so I thought I would give it a go. This one says countdown to midnight. I think when you sign up you get a discount code, and I'll put it on the screen if I've got one. This is not PR, I paid for this myself. But let's jump in. It says party season is upon us once again. This year we may not be able to gather with loved ones and enjoy the festivities, but that doesn't mean we can't still celebrate in style. May this month's jewel-toned velvet clutch bag inspire you to put on a party frock, raise a glass at the biggest potentially virtual party of the year. It's time to see in the new year in style. So let's have a look. I absolutely love the little bag. I think they're so pretty. Have a look and see what we got. So the first thing I've got is a charcoal exfoliating and cleansing pad, Lapcos. Never heard of them before. I will put on the screen if it's cruelty free or not. Anything that is not cruelty free will just be put into a giveaway, or I'll give it to one of my friends, because I am on the way to being fully cruelty free as much as I can with makeup and hair and skin and everything. Hair care was really hard. I went to buy some mousse yesterday just in Asda, and like 97% of what was there was tested on animals, and I was like, "Freak," and so I was googling frantically. I've got to let my dog out, wait a sec. Go! Sorry, the dog had to go out. Next up, oh my god, I swear I've literally, in the last month, I've got like 6 pairs of these, like in boxes and calendars and stuff. These look really nice, to be honest. They do look really nice ones. They're eyelash curlers and they're rose gold and they've got like a nice handle. But I don't use them. I literally don't use them ever. The only time I think I ever used these was when my sister-in-law, who was a makeup artist, came and did my makeup, and she did them. But I literally just don't. They're worth £12. These are going to go in a giveaway. Open eyes and fluttery lashes make you look instantly put together. With this stylish rose gold and dusty pink eyelash curler, you can make your lashes look longer, fuller and thicker in just 3 seconds. So they're really pretty, but I'm not going to use them. Next up, I've got Benefit. Is Benefit cruelty free? I'm pretty sure Benefit is not cruelty free. Benefit is not cruelty free, so I won't be using this. This will just go into a giveaway. It is a Posy Tint cheek and lip stain, and it's like a pinky hue. You can use it on your lips, your cheeks. It's buildable. I've used them before and they're quite nice. And it basically says Benefit is not cruelty free. Benefit Cosmetics pays and allows their products to be tested on animals when required by law. So they might say they're against animal testing, and the UK stuff is not tested on animals, but they sell in China where it's law to have things tested on animals, so not cruelty free. Next, I've got the tiniest little palette, Chella. Oh, that's cute. Cute little palette. I'm not going to use that though, because I've literally got palettes with all these colours in, and I'm trying to declutter palettes. Not doing too well here, am I? Oh, it's vegan and cruelty free. Eyeshadow palette that contains 4 warm neutral shades. Has potential to create a multitude of eye looks with 2 pearl shades and 2 matte water resistant shadows. This palette is an everyday essential that will take you from desk to disco in a flash. It is really pretty, and I really do want to swatch it, but I'm not going to because I'm going to give it away. I'm going to put it back in its little teeny tiny plastic doodad because it's cute. Next up, I've got Percy Reed Dry Instant Volumizing Spray. Love their packaging, it's so pretty. I don't know if this is cruelty free or not, I'll put it on the screen. Sometimes you just need a little extra je ne sais quoi, and that's what we found. This volume boosting spray plumps your hair in a flash, giving you a head of hair that's full of bounce and body, volume and texture. So yeah, that's nice. I've only ever seen Percy Reed in boxes. I don't think I've ever seen anyone actually buy anything from Percy Reed. And then next up, I've got an Aiko I Do liquid eyeliner. I'm pretty sure Aiko is cruelty free. Do your feline flicks often turn out like panda peepers? Well, no more. This eyeliner boasts a perfectly shaped nib to give you precision and control. Let's have a look at it. Just looks like a normal eyeliner. I won't test it in case it's not cruelty free. Oh no, it is cruelty free, so I can keep this one. Yay! It's got the bunny on it. I've just kind of learned with my flicks, I couldn't do them for so long, and I was trying for so long to like do it right at the edge of my eye, and I've got hooded eyes and it just wouldn't work. So now I've kind of done it where they come in a bit more and it works so much nicer, and I can do it so much quicker, so I'm super happy about that. I don't think that's a bad box or a bad bag. Obviously I'm not going to use a couple of things, but I love the bag. I absolutely love the bag. And then I've got the eyeliner, and these if they're cruelty free. And obviously I could use these as well, but I'm just not going to because I don't need them. But yeah, I think that was nice. Let me know what you think. I am doing 25 days of giveaways during Vlogmas this month, which is great. Also one on Instagram and one on Facebook. I'll link everything down below for you guys. But yeah, there's no spoiler alert for January, before anyone asks. I'm gonna go and let my dog out again because he's decided he doesn't want to be in that room. So I'll see you later. Thanks for watching, bye.